Good day, everyone. I am Dr. Vikas Thukral, an ophthalmologist. I am going to tell you all about protecting and taking care of your eyesight. So, eyes are our windows to the world, and ask the importance of eyes from a blind man. So, eyes and what is World Sight Day? World Sight Day is celebrated on second Thursday of every October. It is an annual global event which draws attention on blindness and vision impairment. And the objective of celebrating this is to create awareness about eye care, vision blindness, and treatments involved in curing eye impairments. So, globally, there are 2.2 billion people who have impaired vision or blindness. And among these, 1 billion people have correctable vision impairment. And as per a recent survey, approximately 2% of India's population is blind, and approximately 1.1 million are suffer from corneal blindness, which can be treated by corneal transplants. The required number is uh, 1 lakh corneal transplants annually, out of which we do only one fourth. So this is a picture showing the anatomy of the eye. So we won't go into details of that. The common eye problems are refractive errors like astigmatism, myopia, and hyperopia. Dry eye is very common these days. Eye strain, allergic conjunctivitis, color blindness, night blindness, cataract, glaucoma. So first, let us talk about the problems in children like lazy eyes or amblyopia, strabismus or squint, and ptosis. Uh, and later on, we'll talk about problems in adults like presbyopia, cataract, glaucoma, ARMD, diabetic retinopathy. So first of all, let's talk about amblyopia. What is amblyopia? Commonly known as lazy eye. And for this, like one of the eyes, the vision is less and it is not properly developed. It is called as lazy eye and it can go undetected for many years. So that is why it is very important to get your children to an ophthalmologist to get their eyes checked. And they would be prescribed spectacles and occlusion therapy or patching could be prescribed. And if you diagnose this before 10 years of age, this can definitely be treated. And astigmatism is one of the refractive errors which leads to blurred vision. So, and this can be treated by wearing spectacles. Strabismus or squint is more commonly known as squint and usually a problem seen in children and either by spectacles or by surgery. Now, cataracts happen to be most common cause of treatable blindness. It is the clouding of normally clear lens of the eye. It usually occurs in old age and can also occur in younger people due to injury, due to diabetes, due to any other metabolic problems. Cataracts can be easily treated by cataract surgery. Phacoemulsification is the most common mode of treatment in which the cataractous lens is removed and replaced by an artificial lens. So this is the slide showing cataract surgery. And this is generally done under local anesthesia and it is very safe. And so one should not delay the cataract surgery. Should definitely get it done in time to avoid complications. Now let us talk about glaucoma or kala motia, which causes permanent damage to vision. This usually happens due to buildup of high intraocular pressure in the eye, due to which happens when the eye cannot drain excess fluid, and this can cause irreversible vision loss. So glaucoma is called silent thief of sight, as it might not have any warning signs. So who all are at risk? If you are above 40 years of age, if you have a family history of glaucoma, if you suffer from diabetes, heart disease, high blood pressure, and if you are extremely nearsighted or farsighted, if you have an eye injury, if you are on steroids, medications. So during a glaucoma examination, your doctor will measure your eye pressure, inspect your drainage angles, and a vision field charting or perimetry may be done. Thickness of your cornea may be measured. So how this is treated? This is treated either by medicines to lower eye pressures, and if these are not effective, then surgery may be required. So there are various kind of surgeries: laser trabeculoplasty, laser iridotomy, filtering surgery or trabeculectomy, drainage tubes or shunts. These are various surgeries that are done for glaucoma. So now, what is eye strain? This describes a group of symptoms which occur due to extended use of eyes. And it is very common these days, especially after lockdown, due to increased use of computers, phones, gaming, etc. So what are symptoms of eye strain? That can be blurred vision, eye irritation, stinging or burning sensation, watery eyes, redness, intense headache, and difficulty in focusing. Due to COVID-19 lockdown situation, the usage of digital devices has tremendously increased on a daily basis, which you can see in this slide. And most of the young kids, they are hooked on to their screens due to online classes and even otherwise because they don't go outside to play. And the incidence of refractive error is increasing in children. So follow these healthy eye tips: lower the brightness of the screen, use protective glasses, do it in a proper posture, and every 20 minutes, take a break for 20 seconds, wash your eyes regularly, use lubricant eye drops, and try to take try to do frequent blinking and take frequent breaks. So need for regular eye checkups cannot be overemphasized, especially the children. They should go in for comprehensive examination every year or every 6 months. And even adults, they should regularly get their eyes checked. All of you should take a pledge to donate your eyes. Thank you so much.